Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Atif Raza, an auto functional and technical professional. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can join the e-learning course created by different companies on their website as well as Odoo Community on Odoo platform. So let's start from how to join the course from companies' websites. Here I'm going to tell you companies mostly share a course link using any social media platform like WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Facebook. So you can copy the link. But if they don't share the link of a course, you can also access their course by visiting their website. So first of all, I will share the procedure of a link, how you can join the course by link. And here I am specifically talking about PTG Consultant LLC, as PTG Consultant LLC has created e-learning courses about UAE corporate tax. So let's start. So as I have the link of the course here in Excel sheet, maybe you will have in other manners like in a WhatsApp group chat or on LinkedIn post. Okay, so I have copied the link and will paste on a browser. Here you will see if the course is a private, and you can only access by uh, when you are granted access by admin. So for that, here under the poster you can see private course, please sign in to contact responsible. Till you do not get the access, you will not be able to open the videos or quizzes, anything or any learning material. Here you can see that. So we will proceed to sign in. Yeah, I have an Odoo account, but if you do not have account, you can create your account from clicking on don't have an account here. You can create your account and then proceed to log in again. Okay, after creating account, login. Now you will see the option is clickable, private course, contact responsible. You will click here and the request has been sent. Now when admin accept our request and grant us access, we will just refresh the page like the request already sent. So we will refresh the page to check we are enrolled or not. Okay, and now we are waiting for the admin to assess, grant us access. Now I will again refresh the page to check my access has been granted or not. I have refreshed. Now I can see the status you are enrolled, and now I am able to open the play the videos and access the quizzes, everything. Here is the process how you can proceed. First of all, you will watch the video, and when video will be ended, it will directly redirect you to the quiz page, or by pressing the right arrow key from a keyboard you can also move to the quiz page. Okay, here this is a quiz. So for the quiz you will have multiple attempts, but you can submit the quiz until you give the correct answers for all the questions. On the first attempt you will get 100 points, on second attempt you will get 80 points. All the course providers have different criteria, but we have set this criteria 100, 80, 70, 50 and so on, depending on your attempts. But you can submit the quiz until you don't give the correct answers for all questions. Okay, by completing all the course, this is for day 1 only. Yeah, here day 2 course will also be added after time, and the same procedure you can continue. At the end you will be given a general quiz, so you will attempt that quiz and get certified. Now move to the next process. If you don't have a link, you can simply find the company page ptgconsultant.com, and here is the website. You will open courses in a tab, menu bar, here courses, and you will see here all the available courses. For right now we have only one course here. When all the other courses will be published, you can also see here and can access from here. All right, but to access the course, sign in is compulsory. Okay, now we will talk about how we can access the Odoo's tutorials provided by Odoo Community. We will simply go to odoo.com. We'll select the language, translator. Yeah, here, as I am already signed in, if you are not, you can sign in or create account. Click on a community, and in a learn, you will see the tutorials, documentation, certification, training, all these things, and from here you can access the courses. Okay, and by clicking on any course you want to learn, you will be redirected, and clicking on join this course, you can join. All right, so here some courses are public, some are private. For that you need access from admin, and those which are public, you can easily join those courses, and some are paid, you have to pay for that. And this is the process of e-learning courses on Odoo or any website. Okay guys, so I hope this is clear now. If you have any queries regarding this, you can send a message in a comment section. Thank you for now. Allah Hafiz.